roasted and raw for you guys to have the taste, but also there is nutrients that becomes different when you roast it, like the garlic and the tomatoes. We choose to have a lentil salad today because they're a wonderful way to add high quality plant base in your diet. Lentils, protein, right? They're great for you. So they're high in iron, vitamin B, and fibers. And beans in general help us to live longer. So it controls also our blood sugars and help prevent and treat disease. It's a great thing to have in your kitchen. The best one is for you to cook at home, but if you don't have the time, buy it from cans, but look for the ones that has low sodium. The lentils are better than any other beans because they're more antioxidants, and it fights also against high cholesterol. Promotes heart health, benefits for your gut health. So it stimulates good bacteria to grow in your gut tract, and it modulates also digestion and healthy bowel movements. When preparing beans in general, it's like rinse in a good water, right? And whatever that comes out of that, they lift it up, you take it out. Lentils are very easy to cook and about 20 to 30 minutes to cook. And going to the other ingredients like the garlic, protects our immune system, prevent colds, and help us accelerate the recovery if we're having a cold. Fights against cancer, boosting your genes expression even after a few hours that you're eating that, you can get a boost. The onions are great there is red onions, great for osteoporosis and allergies, cancer, and weight loss. Tomatoes are loaded with lycopene. It's the red color or the color on the tomato that fights against cancer and also support reducing cholesterol, helps with allergy and asthma. So parsley, it's loaded with a lot of antioxidants. The kale, it's very high in nutrients and very low in calories, powerful antioxidants. It has vitamin A for bone health and a strong immune system, vitamin C, fights against cold and diseases, chronic diseases as well. Vitamin K, vitamin B, great for brain development, and omega-3 fat acid. I have the olive oil on there. It's great to lower cholesterol and anti-inflammatory and also antioxidant.
Yeah, they store well in the refrigerator.
They do, and I freeze them too. When I make soup, I often make extra, and I have some in the freezer for the days that I don't have time to cook. It can be by itself or can be everything. The soup, the lentils are easy. You don't need to soak them.
Right? It's like
What I did with the onion, it was after I cut, I let that be in a cold ice water to get them some acidity out because